What's going on, Faves? It's your fave, Miss Renee. You guys, I am back at it again, not with a good food for your soul video, but no, today, honey, I am beginning my weight loss journey. Yes! Again! Again! Come on back so y'all can see what Fave is cooking up and not any food. Okay, guys. So as I said in the intro, I'm beginning a new weight loss journey. I'm not new to this, okay? In my former life, if you know me, right? Then you know I used to be a fitness instructor. Yes, I did. And I was good at it. And I did it for a long time. And then you would say that I changed careers and just started doing whatever I wanted to do and eating whatever I wanted to eat. And unfortunately for that, I started to gain weight, and I gained a lot of weight. So then I had open heart surgery 8 years ago. And now I have multiple medications that I take daily, which hasn't helped either with the weight loss. But this time, this year, right now, no more excuses. Whether it's medication, poor dieting, lack of exercise, whatever the case is, I am beginning a new. I'm going to begin this journey definitely because of me, for me. But I also want to help my son, who is also a little plus size. But if you know my best friend's son, then you know my best friend's son. He's not going to do a lot of the supplements right now because I don't know how he would feel about exchanging protein shakes for food. So we're just going to start eating healthier as well. Okay. Now, not cutting out all my favorite foods. I would be lying to you if I told you I'm just going to go on a strict low-calorie diet, because that's not true. I am going to incorporate my exercise back again into my life. I am going to watch what I'm eating. I am going to incorporate some healthier choices and my water intake and just all of those things that you know you need to do when you're beginning a weight loss journey. But I'm still going to have fun in the kitchen, okay? So I don't believe in food deprivation. Even when I was in aerobics for 13 years and teaching all across my city, which is another reason why people know me all over the city, I never wanted people to not enjoy one of the most pleasurable things of this life, and that is food, right? We all love food. Food is fun. Food is celebratory. Food is amazing. It tastes and all of that wonderful things that gives your body when you're eating a delicious plate of food, right? No one wants to deprive themselves completely from the good things. But sometimes the good things have harmful, or not harmful, but bad things, right? That can lead to harmful things. So we do have to watch what we eat in moderation. So, and I think moderation is the key. For me, I don't believe that depriving yourself of all of the deliciousness is a healthy way to start a journey. I think you need to do everything in moderation. So for instance, if I'm craving something and it's not particularly good for me, okay, what if I just had a little bit of it? What if I just took a bite or two? You know, a lot of times when you're trying to lose weight and you realize you don't have to eat the whole thing. Maybe if you take a piece now and save some for next week or, you know, later in the week or whatever. But we don't want to get to a place, at least I don't want to get to a place where I'm not enjoying my life. And when I take all the fun food out, that's what usually happens. So, said all that to say, I am starting this new journey with a few things that I've bought for myself. And I thought, yes, my Favs might be interested in starting a new as well. So if you are, okay, let me just show you one of the things that I bought over the holiday weeks. So this is how I am going to incorporate a well-balanced, healthy living lifestyle back into my life. This is going to supplement probably lunch, breakfast and lunch. And then I will eat an earlier dinner. And I will eat in moderation, whatever that is. Okay. So I'm not on a complete diet. I'm also going to be very mindful of what I'm eating, even in that time. And you guys, trying to eat between I've done before intermittent fasting, and I loved it. Okay. I love intermittent fasting because you're basically giving your body time to burn off the food that you've had the day before, right? And so that's why I liked intermittent. Y'all know I do still live in an apartment, and unfortunately, I'm not sure who lives above me, and I know y'all gonna hear it, especially with this microphone on, so please just ignore them. I don't know what they're doing. Sounds like they're turning flips. Anyway, the intermittent fasting to me, it put me back in control of my meals, my meal planning. It put me back in control of the time that I ate dinner. Because sometimes if I'm eating and it's 8, 9 o'clock at night, I know that that's not good for me. I know that that's not good for me. And I know that it's going to go against my weight loss. So, try to eat between a reasonable time for dinner so that you give your body time to burn off some of whatever you put into it. Now, what I have purchased is cassava. Okay. I don't know if you guys have ever heard about cassava, but it is all over the internet. It is all over Instagram. It is all over TikTok. Everywhere you see it, it's there. I studied it for a little while. I looked at the reviews. I looked at everything, and I thought, okay, I'm going to go on ahead and take the plunge. Now, mind you, I also watch a lady named Favs on TikTok, and she is promoting another protein powder, but it's called Travani. Now, I'm just going to tell y'all what it is. This was relatively expensive, okay? I paid $70 for a bag of the cassava, and it has 32.8 ounces in this bag. It's a pretty big bag, okay? It is a pretty big bag, all right? I decided to do this because I know it would help me to jumpstart my efforts in, one, shrinking my belly, making it easier for me to figure out what to put in my belly early in the morning, right? To fuel my body, because you got to fuel your body. You cannot get into a place where you're not eating at all, okay? Because that depletes all the vitamins and minerals and irons and things that you need to function well. So, this in a bag, y'all. It does it all in a bag, okay? Oh, so let me also say the Favs, the lady that I follow on TikTok, go look up. Girl, she's hilarious. She's beautiful. And she's just on this amazing weight loss journey. And she loves fashion. And I love watching her. But she is on Travani. She loves Travani. And what I saw about Travani, I mean, cassava, I'm just saying, you good. You real good. Well, I don't know if you're good or not. I'm about to try you. But what she's saying... What she's saying about Travani is that it gives her all of the oomph, and it only has 6 ingredients. I did like that. Okay. I really, really like that. I'm going to go back and research it a little more, and I'll give you guys some updates on that as well. But Travani is half the cost. Travani is half the cost. Okay. So we're going to see how it goes. I'm going to be showing you, and you'll be able to see, right? And I'm going to be telling you guys what's going on with me and cassava. So I've never opened it before. I figured we would open it together. I got this in the chocolate flavor. They have several. I know I've seen matcha. I've seen vanilla, and a few other flavors. But I decided to go with chocolate because, you know, I just love chocolate. Okay, so let me open this up. Okay, let me get on into it. Okay. It smells good. It smells chocolatey with that protein smell. Inside cachava. Okay, so the directions say mix 2 heaping scoops of cachava with 12 to 14 fluid ounces of cold water and blend well and enjoy. Okay, you have a blender bottle that I bought years ago on another weight loss journey. And I believe this one probably would be more of the 12 to 14 ounces. I'm going to measure it to see. Hang on. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So as you can see, I went on ahead and poured that out and poured it into this cup, the blender cup. And I'm going to add that last heaping, okay? So yeah, if you're adding 2 heapings a day, you probably are going to go through it relatively quickly. Because slide that over there, make sure it's there. Okay. I want to measure that out pretty good. Okay, there we go. And we're going to seal this back up till the next time. Well, is it going to seal? Did I mess it up? Oh, y'all. Guess what? I think I cut it below the seal. So I've got a little thing that I'm going to put on this. Hold on 1 second. So we'll just put this on here. I'll keep this in the fridge so it stays nice and fresh. Okay, and then let's go on ahead and blend. I'm gonna tell y'all right now because I keep forgetting and holding this thing down. Okay, anyway. Okay, we are blending. I got little chocolate drops everywhere, y'all. Don't do what I do. Sometimes I be forgetting. I don't know why I do, but I just do. Okay. Yeah, you got to keep this little thing submerged in the water when you turn it on, Renee. Mm-hmm. I forgot. I'm hungry. Sorry, my belly's growling. That's my belly. Okay. Okay. I feel like I really feel like this would be better in a blender. I really do. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna try. I'm trying to really mix it up. And I'm making a huge mess. And I'm gonna tell you what I can't do. I can't get dressed and make it, so I'm gonna have this already ready before I get my clothes on. Because girl, I can't be coming in here throwing chocolate milk all over my clothes. Okay, so I put the little mixer thing in there too. Okay, and I'm just gonna give it a good little shake. Okay, that's with the little whisk thing in there. Okay, now let me go ahead and give this a taste. Not bad. Not delicious either, but not bad. Okay, I'm gonna be real with you. You know how protein gives you that little residue, that little aftertaste, so you get that. It's not bad. It's just kind of chalky a little bit. So, I mean, it don't taste like chocolate cake, you know what I mean? But it's not gross at all. And it's not a bad taste. And I would definitely have my water with this so that I could wash down that chalky type of just a powder taste of it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not grainy, but it's a protein shake. So not as chocolatey as I would like it. But hey, I gotta make it do what it do. Cause this was $70, y'all. And so we're definitely going to drink it. Okay. Maybe I should have put ice cube in there as well. That probably would have given it more texture. But it's okay. So, and I am going to drink it. The whole bottle. Okay. And I've only had a few sips. So I've got all of this to drink. I'm going to get busy. I've got to get my best friend's son's haircut today. And we've got a little bit of work to do. And then I'm going to come home and get our dinner done. So I'll see you guys later. And if you want to join the weight loss journey with me, if it's something you think you're interested in, please let me know. I would love to have some support on this journey, and we can see who's doing what, right? And share ideas, recipes, the whole bit. So definitely let me know. And as always, you guys, keep your heads up and your eyes open. I'll see you guys tonight. We're going to do In the Kitchen Cooking with Fav. Bye.